Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today what we are going to do is Holika Dahan. You know what is the significance of Holika Dahan? You know what is Holika Dahan? Dahan means khalas, matlab she is no more. So first we will draw. First you understand the drawing, and when I do the coloring I will tell you how. Now see, today my kids, they all played Holi with me. So I am already playing Holi. I love playing Holi. So first what we are going to make is, we are going to make Holika. Okay. So you all, and I will tell you the entire story of Holika Dahan and Prahlad. Everybody knows it, but still if somebody does not know it, I will let you know. But first you concentrate on the drawing. Okay. So first what we are going to make, we are going to make beautiful Holika, who was supposed to be the auntie of Prahlad. Now Prahlad is the one whom she keeps on her lap. लैप मतलब गोदी में बिठाया था उसको, ठीक है. So we got to make a cute little picture with a little jhumka, because they were traditional, correct? We have to make a little traditional picture. And first we'll make the neck, and then there is all fire everywhere. Okay, and you will not be surprised that this entire story, you know how it goes. It is the father who wanted to kill the child. So I'll tell you the entire story. So let us first make Holika. Now you know, see, now what am I doing is I'm just making this dupatta. Okay, now this dupatta will take a turn and come back here. Now since they were Raja Maharanis, Maharajas, so she used to be a little more beautiful, you know. And Holika was supposed to be the brother of Prahlad's father, sister of Prahlad's father. So I'll tell you the story also. It is fun, you know. Our Dada Dadi used to tell us the stories when we were small, but then later on I forgot. And then when my daughter started asking, what is the importance of the Tyohar? See, every Tyohar, whichever we celebrate, has its own importance. See, now this is the face and this is the cute little chap, Prahlad. Okay, Prahlad was a cute little chap of Holika's brother. Okay, smiley face, and he knew that he is not going to. And Holika Dahan मतलब उसका murder नहीं बोलूँगी, उसका दहन मतलब अंत happened because of God Vishnu. So first you concentrate on the drawing, then I'll tell you the story. Okay, so he was sitting on his auntie's lap. So Holika is supposed to be Prahlad's Bua, if I am not wrong. So first let us make 1, 2 angutha, and this is Prahlad's one hand, and the other hand goes like that. He is sitting aram se, with no chintan mukta hokar he is sitting. So we will have to make, he is wearing a dhoti and he is sitting here like that. So this is his legs, cute little legs. And then here we will have to make the lap of his auntie, that is Holika. Holika had another name to her. And Holi is celebrated as a festival of Vijay, of good over evil. So this is Holika's hand. This is the kadas which she is wearing. Okay, so this will be her. Okay, this is her body which I have made. So the sari goes like that, and then the lap goes again like that. So this will be the salbat, and here she is sitting. So okay, here is Holika's. See, it is simple. It is only with practice that everything comes. Then we have to make all ag. So I cannot make his hair small. He was a Rajkumar, so his hair needs to be the bigger ones. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, and you have to put a tikka also, because Vishnu ka bhakt tha ye Prahlad. And then you have to put few jewelry also for him. because they were all from the mighty kingdom. So good amount of jewelry. Even for Holika you have to put a good amount of jewelry. Okay, so I have made the basic drawing. We don't need to draw anything more than this. So what we have basically done is we have made the face, we have made Prahlad. Now we are not going to sketch pen it, and we directly start with the coloring. Okay, so he is Prahlad, and then we have to draw all fire. I'm not going to draw, I am going to directly start doing it with the oil pastels. Okay, and इसका जो lipstick वगैरह है, that all we will do with little sketch pen work and so on. So let us start with the coloring part, and as I color I will tell you the story also. So first what I'll take is, I'll take the fluorescent color and color all the jewelries first, and then we'll go with the other parts. So Holika had another name, like हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, like my name is what? My name is Tejaswini, correct? But मैं अपने आप को क्या बुलाती हूँ, या सब लोग मेरे को क्या बुलाते हैं? तन्नू आंटी, करेक्ट? वैसे ही ये जो होलिका थी, होलिका का असली का नाम था सिमहिका. क्या था उसका असली का नाम? SIM, सिम, HIKA, सिमहिका. And she was a demon मतलब राक्षस, ठीक है? She was supposed to be a demon in the Hindu का this, and was an auntie of Prahlad, and Prahlad was a Vishnu Bhakt. Now you know who is Vishnu, correct? He is avatar of Krishna. So इतना समझ में आ गया. अभी हम लोग पहले सारी फटाफट ये करेंगे. तुम लोग को अगर बोर लग रहा होगा तो भी तुम लोग सुनो, तुम लोग को थोड़ा थोड़ा तो आना चाहिए ना. See, now this is all fluorescent color. Now the story of Holika Dahan goes like that होलिका का जो ब्रदर था उसका नाम था हिरण्यकश्यप, ठीक है? अभी उसको क्या था, even he was supposed to be a demon or the असुर, and उसको क्या था कि उसको है ना शिवजी को उसने बहुत प्रसन्न किया. मतलब he used to go in and chant mantras and mantras and mantras, and he got an this क्या बोलते हैं, तथास्तु, that you will become amar. Okay, and when he got that, he started thinking that nobody on earth, everybody should worship only me. कोई दूसरे को वर्शिप नहीं करेगा. तो जो विष्णु था, विष्णु तो हमारा ऐसा भगवान था जो थोड़ा सा चंट था, करेक्ट? तो उसने अपने तरीके से, फिर मैं बताती हूँ स्टोरी कैसे गई थी. The jewelry is done. So what he did is, this Prahlad used to get, and when he used to tell Prahlad, you worship me. So Prahlad used to get angry. Prahlad used to tell, why should I worship you? I will worship Lord Vishnu. He is the god. You are not a god. You are just a human being. You are a demon, and you have just got a vardhan. You are not god. I am not going to worship you. Now the daddy got very angry, and then he made a plan to kill his son. And Holika had Holika had a vardhan that even if she goes in fire, nobody can destroy her. So he made a plan, and he told this person, Holika, okay, you take Prahlad and you sit in the fire, and what will happen is that you will not get destroyed, correct? Because you have a vardhan. But Prahlad will get burnt. He does not worship me. He is not fit to stay in the universe. So Holika agreed. Okay? Holika agreed, and she took Prahlad on her lap, and then she sat in the fire. And when she sat in the fire, what happened is that Prahlad जो था उसको कुछ भी नहीं हुआ और होलिका जल गई. So this symbolizes that there is always a Vijay in the sense victory of good over evil. They were evils, correct? They wanted to destroy Prahlad. because he was saying that you all are not gods, don't consider yourself to be gods, there is someone who is bigger than you, भगवान से डरो, ऐसा बोलता था, लेकिन वो कोई सुनता नहीं था, इसलिए उन लोगों ने प्लान बनाया, लेकिन उनका प्लान फ्लॉपशी हो गया, फ्लॉपशी। सो अभी तुम लोग देखो मैं कलरिंग कैसे करती है, ऐसा मैंने सब ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा वाइट वाइट छोड़ देने का। सिमिलरली ऑन द फेस ऑफ प्रहलाद। So the importance of Holika is that when we burn Holika, we remember the day when this chap sat on her lap, निश्चिंत होके, that I am not going to be destroyed by all, because there is a super power which is ruling this world, and I am dead sure that nothing is going to happen to me. If God is with me, nothing will happen to me. So this symbolizes a victory of good over evil. So that is the concept behind the entire story. Okay, so this is Holika का पैर and this is प्रहलाद का पैर। उसका एक पैर तो ऐसा चला गया। अभी धोती का कलर हम लोग सब करते हैं, so you all are understanding, I am doing it slowly children, so that you all can do this drawing. एक्चुअली मेरा कोई इंटेंशन नहीं था, मैं तो होली की ड्राइंग कर रही थी, फिर किसी ने बोला होलिका दहन बनाओ, फिर मैंने बोला चल यार बच्चों को स्टोरी भी बताते हैं, यू ऑल शुड नो द स्टोरी ऑफ हिंदू कल्चर, करेक्ट, दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड नो लेट मी डू दिस ड्राइंग, इट इज़ अ गुड ड्राइंग एंड आई विल टेल यू द स्टोरी ऑल्सो हाउ मच एवर आई नो। इफ आई हैव मेड सम मिस्टेक पेरेंट्स, यू ऑल कैन करेक्ट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। ऐसा तो मेरे को नहीं लगता मैंने मिस्टेक बोला ही, तो भी हो सकता है, करेक्ट। तो हम लोग होलिका की कलर कौन सी बनाए साड़ी की, हम लोग इसका ना थोड़ा सा फ्लोरेसेंट, बिकॉज वी हैव टू शो रेड, येलो एंड ऑरेंज कलर हियर, दैट इज द फायर हियर, सो वी विल हैव टू यूज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट कलर्स फॉर हर dupattis and her sari. So with this I am using the rose pink children, this is the fluorescent pink. oh मैंने तो बाल ही कर दिए गुलाबो जरा इधर की रात, मैंने बालों को ही कर दिया, देखा ऐसा ही होता है। मैं पता मन में कुछ कुछ सोच रही थी और सोचते सोचते कर रही थी और सोचते सोचते करते करते मैंने बालों को ही कर दिया ऑरेंज। सो आई हैव टेकन रोज पिंक कलर योर चिल्ड्रन विथ मी टू मेक अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ, जैसे ये जो सल है दैट विल बी रोज पिंक। And remember it was the night time, so you have to draw a dark sky, okay? So this is the dupatta of Holika in the remember you have to do everything. Now this part will be rubbed because इसका दुपट्टा आ जाएगा। Now we are just making few sulls ऐसे, and then we use a fluorescent color to color it. Why we are using fluorescent color children is because we are going to make fire all around, and you all can, you know, there are so many apps. The other day I was just having a googling the net and I got, you know, मतलब you can make moving pictures with fires, correct? तो वो जो तुम fire बनाओगे ना, now when you send holy invitations नहीं, sorry, holy wishes, you all can use this concept. So I am making her sari. Okay, this is going to be ऐसा. Now her sari is green and dark green, ठीक है। हम लोग को डिफरेंट कलर जानबूझ के यूज़ कर रही हूँ बच्चा, क्योंकि पीछे के बैकग्राउंड में तो रेड 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 बहुत होने वाला है, so you have to use a different color. This is what sari or her, I am got confused again. I think so. I made a mistake again. I have to do a little bit of skin here because this is supposed to be the tummy of Holika. Yes, correct. I am not mistaken. और फिर उसके ब्लाउज को, जरा सा ब्लाउज है तो इसको मैं मरून कलर कर देती हूँ इधर। You know, when so many things come, now even I get confused. But nothing to get confused about. You will learn. So on a serious note, children, keep coloring and keep on doing Holika Dahan wala drawing. It's very good. You all will, when you all are making the Holika Dahan wala drawing, what you can do is just put the katha. You know, there is a katha called Holika Dahan ki katha on YouTube also, you will find it. So you can put that katha and listen to the katha when you all are doing the drawing. So you all will be able to relate your drawing with the katha, and then you will enjoy doing it. If you want, even I can put the katha on. I will just have to off my video, take my other mobile and I can on the katha, and I'll keep mum for some time. But it's very difficult for me to keep mum matlab chup. So you all can do it. So this is, she's sitting in the lappy position. अभी हम लोग प्रहलाद की जो कॉस्ट्यूम है ना उसको ब्लू कर देते हैं, ठीक है। ये तो हो गई होलिका की साड़ी, ठीक है। दिस इज होलिका की साड़ी। अभी हमको प्रहलाद का करना है, तो मैंने लिया है सेरेलियम ब्लू। आजकल मैं सेरेलियम ब्लू के पीछे कुछ ज़्यादा ही पड़ गई हूँ, लेकिन मुझको अच्छा लगने लग गया। गुलाब, पहले हम लोग इस कैसे से सल बना देंगे, जो मतलब प्रहलाद का पैर का सल बना देंगे। और सल बनाने के बाद, सल का मतलब समझ गए ना, मतलब द प्लीट्स ऑन द धोतर, एंड देन यूज द लाइट ब्लू टू कलर इट। Wow. Now this is done. Now we have to make his hair. So what am I doing is, I have not put a paper down, so I'll use a sketch pen instead. I'll use a sketch pen instead to make his hair. I'm going to use a little bit of brown also. First I had made boy cut hair, but then I realized that he is a Rajkumar and he will have long hair, because तभी बाल कटिंग करने वाले ज़्यादा नहीं आते थे, और उसका डैडी तो उससे वैसे भी गुस्सा रहता था, है ना। It is not necessary, children. See, in today's world daddies are not like that, but then his daddy had a gurur that he is the one, he is the god, everybody should worship me, है ना। If you go in for plays and all, मजा आएगी ना। Hey chap, listen, you are not supposed to worship Lord Vishnu, you are supposed to worship me. Prahlad, no daddy, I'm not going to worship you. I know you are not a god. There is some almighty who is there on top of you. Definitely I'm going to worship Lord Vishnu. Sir? Hey boy, worship me or else. Or else what, daddy? I'm going to worship only Lord Vishnu. Oh, is it? I am not going to leave you for this. Never mind, daddy. Then he makes a plan with his sister Holika. You know what, Holika? You have the power. You have the power, and you have a vardhan that you will not be burned to death with fire. So can you do a favor to me? Oh yes, brother, anything for you. Okay, so these are the ये वाला colors, आग वाला colors, ठीक है। I'm sorry, that is my play mode on, drama mode on. Sure, brother, anything for you. Are you sure you're going to do it for me? Yes, of course, brother. Fine. Then on this date and this time, you're going to take Prahlad, make him sit on his lap, and then into the fire. Oh, sure, brother. Why not? Shh, don't laugh. है ना, हर का हम लोग जब गोरेगांव में रहते थे ना, तो हम लोग है ना उसमें जाते थे, क्या बोलते हैं, रामायण होती थी वहाँ पर, We used to go with our dada dadis to watch Ramayana. Then later on it started coming on the TV and all. But all these serials, all these give a lots and lots of knowledge. If you require, see what am I doing is, I've made red ka aisa bachar. Now I've taken orange. Okay, now this red ka bachar has to be done like that with cutter. We were in a convent school, so we always used to have plays of Jesus, you know, and but convent school में कभी भी ऐसे हिंदू plays किए नहीं जाते थे, correct? So we also started Holy Mary, Grace the Lord with Dublix, Timon, Human. तो हम लोग भी ऐसे ही करते थे, but slowly we realized that we also have a culture. We have to respect all cultures, children, but we too have a culture, so we shouldn't forget ours either. So the importance of every day, every color, every festival should be practiced not only with Christians, Muslims, Hindus, Sikhs, Isais, everyone. So this is just an importance of how this was taken over by a small chap. He had the power to change and he did that. Okay, so we have made Agni. We have made Agni ka red, for orange, for light orange. Now you are supposed to take, if you have fluorescent yellow, children, if you have, please do take fluorescent yellow, so it will give a better effect. So this is the yellow Agni which we are making. Keep on cleaning it. अरे मेरा napkin कुठे गेला रे? इकडेच होतं, मी काढलं होतं. हो, आहे. So keep on doing it. And you know, when I do it, I can imagine, see, when we were small, we used to go in for plays. We had a Bandola teacher who used to take us, you know, for the Doordarshan part. You know, initially there used to be Doordarshan. And me and my sister, we were in St. John. Now it is Universal, St. Universal High. ऐसा कुछ नाम हो गया St. John School का. So we had a Bandola teacher who used to take us for the Doordarshan channels, and there used to be a little bit of plays for children and all, where we used to enact the plays. So that was the time where we learned the voice modulation. So this is how you learn, and you should always be an active student, taking part in everything. I used to take part in each and every play, and even after I got married, you know, our school, my daughter's school, no play used to go without me. We used to just enjoy. If my friends are listening to the video, my daughter's friends' mothers, they will remember and recall the way we used to do the plays. It used to be a superb time we used to spend doing plays. So children, don't ever think that you are grown Buddha. Every moment has to be enjoyed, and every act. Now इधर थोड़ा काला काला हो गया, तो I'm just putting a little red here. So you can use a little bit of more darker red for the Agni somewhere here जैसे, है ना. You can put, now प्रहलाद के इधर भी हमने थोड़ा सा. See, now the legs and all are covered, but don't you bother, because he is sitting in the fire, and you have to show that he is sitting in the fire. Unless and until you don't show that he is sitting in the fire, how will the things work? See, इतना अच्छे से उसका गहीना बनाया, उसके बाद आग डाल दी मैंने. So this is the entire fire which we have made. Okay, now what we are going to do is just wangdu a book ulta and use black color. We can use black, we can use Persian blue, or we can use what you call dark violet. So what am I going to do is I'm going to use these colors. I'm just going to tear my book and I'm going to use black as well. अभी मेरे को black ही नहीं दिख रहा. मैंने अभी कलर किया था ना किसी के बाल को black. हाँ मिल गया. So see, now this is black. ओए, so you just have to make ऐसा आपके इधर black. See the way you have to do it. I'm just teaching you. This is the entire oil pastel, and then everything will look prettier. Okay, see, can you see how I am doing it? हाँ, अभी जब ये होलिका के खोपड़े के ऊपर आएंगे ना तो उसको Hey sister Holika, oh no, I can see Holika being burnt. How is that possible? मजा. When you all are seeing this video and making it ना, तब तुम लोग ऐसे ही एनैक्ट करना, बहुत मजा आएगी. मम्मी बेचारी डर जाएगी, बोलेगी तुम लोग को क्या हो गया है. तो बोलना अरे मम्मी हमको कुछ नहीं हुआ है, हम लोग तो होलिका का पूरा एनैक्ट कर रहे हैं. बोलते क्या बात कर रहे हो, होलिका को एनैक्ट करो. सी नाउ आई एम यूजिंग माय वॉयलेट कलर. So who will become the king and who will become Prahlad, and you all can become all in one, है ना. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम की है होलिका दहन की ड्राइंग, बट यस टू कीप द कल्चर. हम लोग मिकी माउस करते हैं, हम लोग गूफी करते हैं, हम लोग ये करते हैं, हम लोग वो करते हैं, तो हमको ये भी तो करनी चाहिए. क्रिक 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 क्रिक. अभी तुम लोग को दिख रहा है कितना बुड्ढा बुड्ढा दिख रहा है. I'm just going to dust my book a bit. Okay, now I'm going to use my hand to smudge it off and enter a bit inside here. Of course, we are going to use black again. This is just the way of showing you how the Agni has to be done. Agni, प्रचौल जब गुस्से में आ जाती है, हम लोग जब फटाकड़ी बजाते हैं तब हमको लगता है छे ये कुछ भी नहीं है, इसको क्या. बट देन अगर फायर को गुस्सा आ जाए तो समझ लो क्या हो सकता है. सी आई एम यूजिंग पर्शियन ब्लू नाउ. So it's always a combination of Persian blue, dark violet and black when you do a dark sky. Correct? See, I have used Persian blue. Now see, अभी मैं इधर है ना ऐसे पोर्शन में कर रही हूँ, पर थोड़ा सा दबा दबा के घसीट घसीट के दबा दबा के घसीट घसीट के. अभी देखो कितना बुड्ढा बुड्ढा दिख रहा है. अभी मेरा अंगूठे का कमाल देख लेना. मैं कैसा करेगी, कैसा मैसा करके ऐसा वैसा करके भी कर देगी. अब मैं थोड़ा सा इधर ब्लू डाल रही हूँ एंड देन वी विल मर्ज इट ऑफ. एंड नो चंदा मामा, नथिंग टू बी डन. यू जस्ट हैव टू स्मज इट बच्चस. So, if you all have understood the story, I have told you all in a very simple way. वो प्रहलाद के डैडी को अच्छा नहीं लगता था. प्रहलाद का डैडी उसको बोलता था कि वर्शिप मी, आई एम द गॉड. एंड प्रहलाद यूज्ड टू टेल नो डैडी, यू आर नॉट द गॉड. सो डैडी को गुस्सा आ गया और डैडी बोला कि जो मुझे वर्शिप नहीं करेगा उसको मृत्यु दंड मिलना चाहिए. और वो मृत्यु दंड के लिए ही कॉल्ड हिज सिस्टर. Okay, I'm just repeating it. He called his sister, and the sister had a vardhan that she will not be burnt to ashes in आग. So she took Prahlad and sat in Agni. But कायनात को कुछ और मंजूर था और अग्नि में कहूँ विचलित हो गई. वो थी हमारी होलिका. That is why The first day we burn Holika and the second day we celebrate with Rang. Okay, so a little bit of finishing, whatever is required before posting it. See, there are certain finishing factors which you need to do before posting. So you do that and then post it. Now see, this portion is going to be totally black. Okay, this is the dupatta portion. This is the mala portion. Okay. डन कुछ किधर रह गया हो तो कर देना. Okay, before posting it, of course I'm going to see wherever I have not done things properly, I'm going to do it properly and then I'm going to post it, of course. And I expect the same from you. Do post it on Canvas and Scissors group, children, after you make the Holika Dahan. And अगर तुमको और आग बनानी है, मेरे को ऐसे लग रहा है थोड़ी सी आग इधर कम है, तो बट वो आग अभी हम लोग येलो की नहीं बना पाएंगे. वी कैन ओनली मेक रेड आग. सो इधर अभी जैसे इसका हाथ है, अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई है तुम्हारे को इस हाथ में, तो तुम ऐसे उसके इधर हम लोग अग्नि बना देंगे. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक योर एंटायर ड्राइंग and then you can use all these techniques. Okay, so they are all sitting in the fire. So what all colors are you supposed to see? I'm using carmine color, I'm using a dark red color, I'm using yellow color, I'm using orange color to do the Agni. So you can use different colors and then this drawing of Holika Dahan is all ready. So bye bye.